So the nature of the summer camp is we want to get all students kind of ready from all different aspects in life. Anyone that never started in kitchen, from someone who's completely green to someone who wants to be the next top chef. We have our students making our own house-made marinara. They're doing fresh doughs. We're teaching them butchery and full-line service.
I wanted to learn a lot more about cooking, mostly baking, because I was always like watching videos and I always had the ingredients at home but never knew what to do with them. So I signed up so that I could learn pretty much how to cook.
And I decided that I really like cooking, so I've just been cooking at home a lot, and my mom signed me up for this camp and I was like, that's pretty dope.
4 more, and that's going to be for the base of your sauce too, okay?
I just always had a passion for cooking, and so when I saw this, I just wanted to go.
When they first come in, we work with basic knife skills to see how they handle a knife, to see if they've ever been into a kitchen. And so my goal within these 3 weeks of summer camp is just to get someone who can't hold a knife to at least be able to cook dinner for their family.
He's really good at explaining stuff and he gives good instructions, and so far everything's kind of been easy. He's a really cool person.
He's made me more confident in what I cook, and he's taught me more.
He's really cool, he's super enthusiastic, he's really fun, he's really friendly, he's really good at what he does.
I want to find a passion of these students, right? So when these students come in, I feel like they don't really know, they might not know where they want to do in life. So if I can make them like a basic life skill and for them to take something out of it and build something out of it in life, makes it awesome.
I think I see myself here, like in the future, because cooking is something that I really like. It's a really good way to express yourself.
If I'm able to share my passion and it rubs off on people, my life's complete. I love it.